Prove that statement 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 and so on up to n terms equal to n into n square plus 6n plus 1 whole by 3. Now take the digits in the series. For first digits in the series 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 and so on up to n terms. These are in arithmetic progression. Nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the difference between two successive terms, which means a equal to and d equal to 1. Therefore nth term equal to 2 plus n minus 1, that is equal to n plus 1. Now take the second digits in the series 3 into 4 into 5 and so on up to n terms, that is equal to a equal to 3 and d equal to 1, where a is the first term and d is the difference between two successive terms in the arithmetic progression. Therefore nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into n minus 1, that is equal to 3 plus n minus 1, that equal to n plus 2. Now the given statement becomes 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus and so on up to n plus 1 into n plus 2 equal to n into n square plus 6n plus 1 6s plus 11 by 3. Let it be equation 1. Now check whether the given statement is true for n equal to 1 or not. For n equal to 1, 2 into 3 equal to 1 into 1 square plus 6 plus 11 whole by 3, that is equal to 18 by 3, that is equal to 6. Therefore the given statement is true for n equal to 1. Now let the given statement is true for s of k, which means s of k equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus and so on up to k plus 1 into k plus 2 equal to k into k square plus 6k plus 11 whole by 3. Now we have to prove that s of k plus 1 equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus and so on up to k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus k plus 2 into k plus 3 is equal to k plus 1 into k plus 1 whole square plus 6 into k plus 1 plus 11 whole by 3. Now take the left hand side of the equation 3. LH is equal to s of k plus 1 equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus and so on up to k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus k plus 2 into k plus 3. Substitute equation 2 here, it becomes k into k square plus 6k plus 11 by 3 plus k plus 2 into k plus 3, that equal to k cube plus 6k square plus 11k plus 3k square 3 into k square plus 5k plus 6 whole by 3. That equal to k cube plus 6k square plus 11k plus 3k square plus 15k plus 18, that is equal to k cube plus 9k square plus 26k plus 18 by 3, that is equal to k plus 1 whole cube. How we write k plus 1 whole cube plus 6k square plus 23k plus 1 plus 17 by 3? We have to do some rough work. Rough work means s of k plus 1 is equal to s of k plus 1 equal to right side. What happens? K plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 1 whole square plus 6 into k plus 1 plus 11 whole by 3. Let we have to do some rough work. S of k plus 1 equal to, we have to prove the right hand side as this. Have to prove right hand side as this. Here k plus 1 we have to, if we do further, k plus 1 whole cube plus 6 into k plus 1 whole square plus 11 into k plus 1 whole by 3, which means k plus 1 whole cube plus 6 into k plus 1 plus 6 into plus 11 into k plus 1 whole by 3. To prove this, now we have to take k plus 1 whole cube. K plus 1 whole cube means k cube plus 3k square plus 3k plus 1, k plus 1 whole cube equal to, this is k plus 1 whole cube is equal to k square plus 3k square plus 3k plus 1. We have to put this one, and we have to write the remaining topic, k plus 1 whole cube plus, and which means k cube is over, and 3k square is also over. 3k square is over. The remaining is 6k square. Now 3k from 26k we delete 3k, the remaining is 23k, and we delete 1 from 18, it becomes 17. Now that equal to k plus 1 whole cube plus 6k square plus 23k plus 17 whole by 3. K plus 1 whole cube plus 6 into, now 6 into k plus 1 whole square. How can we, 6 into k plus 1 whole square means, for this also we have to do some rough work. 6 into k plus 1 whole square means 6k square plus 6 plus 12k, which means 6 into k plus 1 whole square 6 into k plus whole square equal 6k square plus 6 plus 12k. We have to remove this 6k square. If we remove 6k square is present, 6k square is over. From 23k, how much? 23k minus 12k, which means 23k minus 12k, which is equal to remaining is 11k, which means 6 into k plus 1 whole square, which means and 17 minus 6, which means 11. After 6 into k plus 1 whole square, the remaining is 11k plus 11. Now k plus 1 whole square, k plus 1 into, now k plus 1 as a common from all, k plus 1 whole square plus 6 into k plus 1 plus 11 whole by 3, that is equal to RHS side of the equation 3. I hope you understand. If you like this, uh, subscribe to my channel and subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon to get more updates from my YouTube channel.